I was watching the news and trucks were floating down the interstate and mobile trailers were floating down the interstate, and knew at that point that there was going to be need for the Red Cross.
What we're focused on right now is meeting the immediate emergency needs of people. That's shelter, that's food.
Told my husband, I'll probably see you tomorrow. I was talking to my husband that morning and he said, you're not going to be able to come home. The water is over the road and it's washed the bridge away. And I couldn't even visualize that we could have that much water in this area.
Sunday evening, it was approximately 22 feet right here where we're standing. We had gathered a lot of our contents and put them on the second floor. My father, he collapsed. Due to exertion. And I honestly thought he was having a heart attack.
The flood impacts people that you love at home and you can't get there. It was devastating. But I knew what I was doing was helping thousands of people. I was still doing Red Cross as I was coming back home, and people are sitting out in their front yards with this look of helplessness. And I immediately called back to the Red Cross and I said, they need water, they need supplies.
We had a gentleman come to see us from the Red Cross. He handed me a gift card to go purchase the things that we needed. It was a blessing for them to be there and to know that someone cared about us.
Beth got us information as far as the Red Cross goes. Yeah, she was hands-on through the whole thing.
Just knowing that I'm helping and to know that you can do just a little bit to make those first few days a little bit easier for them